Aloha, Richard Halverson here, and this is my first video for ITS387P. And what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to show you how to start the first assignment or do the first assignment. So let me share my screen. I'm going to share this one over here. And so here I've logged into La Lima, and here's the assignment. Lima, here's the assignment. And basically, I would like you to create a website, a simple website, and I've modified this. XXX, which is your domain name. So for me, it's like Richard H. Create a new website, richardh.uhkcc.net, using WHM, where XXX is your username, just like your website for the class. Now, so I've logged in. In fact, let me tell you what, why don't I log out here and open up a new one and go to, I've set up this one, R7. This is my domain name. This is my website for this class. I have to use another something different because I've got so many accounts on this website. But so you would go to WHM, and you get to here, and you log in with the same login I've given you. And so here we are. And what I would like you to do is to create it. Well, you should first go create a package, and you can give it a name. And I've noticed that some of you have done that, and you can just set it up minimally. It's all right. There's plenty of room on the server, so it doesn't really matter what you set it up with, and you're not going to end up using up all the space or anything. So, and don't check dedicated IP. You can check shell access if you want to try that. But anyway, just add a package, and it'll have a name. And then to create a website, you can just click create a new account. And so I'm going to create. All right, I'm going to create r7chardh.I uhkcc.net, and right now that's not anything, and that's why you get this screen here. so I'm going to create that r7chardh.uhkcc.net, and the username can be that. Let's make it that. Am I gonna have a problem with this? I might have a problem with this because there already is an account like this on this website. So I'm gonna just make this something different. I don't think this will. I think this is too many characters. So I'm gonna change this to Richard 2, R2 CHRD 2, and the password I can just make it the same as what my current password is. That's fine, so I don't forget it. Let me put my email address in here in case I need to get it again. Here's a bunch of packages that I've the dedicated default and the limit. I think that comes with the system, but I just created this basic one. Down here, you want to use the name server specified at the domains registrar, and then everything else can be the same. And so you click create. Hold on, I need to see what's going on here. Let me pause this. Okay, I had to go fix something, and I think it's been created now. So I hope I'm able to create this on another account. I hope you're able to do this too. But anyway, so what I do now is I take this and I copy it, because this has got my password information and everything, so I don't forget it. And then I can add it to, I can pull up a browser and paste it in here. I mean, pull up an editor and paste it in here, and that way I can save this so I can remember what all of this information was. All right, so now that this website has been created, I should be able to go back here and try this and see what happens. Enter. And oh, it still doesn't work. Let me see what happens here. I'm going to try to go to https:// and then get rid of this. And advanced, accept risk and continue. And here we get, and this is the website. Now, you notice the secure server certificate does not work. That should update automatically. I've got a, it turns out that you're not really able to fix that on your own, but they're updated periodically. And so on my, on the main WHM, this is the main WHM for the whole server, of which I've given you a sub account. I've given you reseller access. I've created an account. Your account is here. In fact, everybody's account is here, and like mine, R7CHARDH, username, domain. So as you see, both of these are here. Now, I can run, I'll search for SSL. I can actually run the auto SSL manually, and so I can run it for all users, or I can just find the one I just created, R7CHARDH. Let's see what this one comes up. This is what did I call it? 2 or something? Yes, this one. So I can run enable auto SSL manually for this one. Enable auto SSL, and then doesn't need to be updated, and that may have fixed it. It takes a little while for it to update, but when that happens, then this little icon there will go away. Okay, and then what I wanted you to do is I wanted you to log in a cPanel at your new account. Again, you're going to go through this. Probably, I think we might have to wait until the secure server certificate works. But if we go into it, R7, not this one, uhkcc.net. All right, I'm going to bring up a new browser, r7chardh.uhkcc.net, and we get this, not secure, and then we can go to cPanel, and we get to cPanel, R7chard, and what was the, it was Richard, it was this, oops, this, and my password was the same as before. See if that works, and it does. And then I would like you to go to, a couple of you have done this already, go to Site Software. You can go to Site Software, or you, it's WordPress Manager. We already, I don't see, well, anyway, you can go to Site Software. I think you can get it this way. Here's WordPress. And yeah, you want to install it here. And gee, that's not very cool. Credentials here, but let's copy that also. And let's go see what happens when we try to go to that website. R7, and here we are. Here's WordPress, and apparently we can log in by using these crazy credentials here. Let's see if this works. And it seems to have. And in here, of course, you can go in and you can search around and add a theme. All right, so let me unshare my screen here. All right, so what I've shown you is how to create a website, and I hope it works for you. So if somebody could try it, then we can see if that works. And so more later. Thanks for watching.